Good morning, dear student. Today I'm here with a new AV assignment. In this fourth preparatory assignment, we will move with the topic. The name of the topic is word contraction. Word contractions are like the shortcut of words. We mostly use the shortcut of words instead of long words. So let's start with the revision. Part A is some sentences are given below. Replace the underlined words with their contractions. One has been done for you. Now, dear student, you are saying some underlined words here, and while changing these sentences into word contraction, while changing the underlined words into the word contraction, you have to remove O from the center of two words and you have to put apostrophe there. Then you can combine these two sentences into one sentence, right? First is mother has not made lunch today. Now has not has been already underlined. Now firstly we will combine these two words, has, then N. I have written N along with has, and then I have removed O from here, and I have put apostrophe instead of O, then T. Now this word has become hasn't, has not. Mother has not made lunch today. Mother hasn't made lunch today, right? Number second is it did not rain yesterday. Now did not, right? I will write did as it is, and then not not is here. I will remove O from the center of these two words and I will put apostrophe between two words, right? Now this word has become didn't. It didn't rain yesterday. Number 3 is they have not come home yet. Now have not has been underlined. Now we will also remove O from here and we will put apostrophe here between two words. Have. Firstly I have to write have here, and then N along with N along with have, then apostrophe between these two words, then T, because I have removed O from here and I have put apostrophe here. Now this word has become haven't. Number 4 is Amit and Sumit are not brothers. Now are not has been underlined, and firstly I will write are as it is, and N is also here. Then I have removed O from here and put apostrophe here, then T, right? Now this word has become aren't, right? Amit and Sumit aren't brothers. Number 5 is this is not the car that I will buy. This is not the car that I will buy. Now is, I have written is at as it is, and not is here. I will remove O from here and put apostrophe here instead of O. Now this word has become isn't. This isn't the car that I will buy. Right, now we will move towards our 6th number. Number 6 is Sia does not know these people. Sia does not know these people. Now does not. Again I will remove O from here and I will put apostrophe between N and T. Does, I have written does as it is, and not is here. I will remove O from here and I will put apostrophe here. Now the word has become doesn't. Sia doesn't know these people. 7 number is I cannot lift the box. It is too heavy. Now cannot, right? I will remove O from here simply, and the word has become can't. I can't lift this box. This is too heavy. Right, number 8 is we went to their house but they were not there. Now were not has been underlined and I will remove O from here and put apostrophe here. Right, now the word has become weren't. The sentence has become we went to their house but they weren't there. Number 9 is do not play with the sharp objects. Do not. Again I will remove O from here and put apostrophe, and then I will combine these words. Then I will change these two words into the word contractions. Don't play with sharp object. The word has become don't because I have removed O from here and put apostrophe here. Don't play with sharp objects. Number 10 is Ramya had not done her homework. Ramya had not done her homework. Now had not. Again I will do the same. Remove O and put the apostrophe here. Now the word has become hadn't. Hadn't. Ramya hadn't done her homework. Right? The short form of the had not is hadn't. Right? Now we will move towards our next topic, that is synonym. Now dear students, we will move towards our next topic, that are synonyms. Synonyms are like the word meaning and same to same meaning of the particular words, right? So let's start with the first one. First is beautiful. The meaning of the beautiful is pretty and lovely also. Beautiful, pretty, lovely, right? Number second is happy. The meaning of the happy is joyful and delight, delight, that's delight, right? Because we are writing the same to same words for the particular words, so that's why we have to write the same meaning of the word. Is stable and solid. Number 4 is sad. The same to same meaning for sad is unhappy and upset. We can use unhappy and upset instead of sad, right? Sad, unhappy and upset. Number 5 is weak. The meaning of the weak is feeble, frail. These words are like word meanings, right? Weak, feeble and frail. Number 6 is intelligent. Intelligent means brilliant, smart. The meaning of the intelligent is, the synonym for the intelligent is brilliant, smart. Number 7 is true. True means correct, real. Correct, real. Number 8 is answer, reply, respond. Reply, R-E-P, rip, L-Y, lie. That's reply. Respond, R-E-S, res, P-O-N-D, pond. It's respond. Answer means reply or respond. 9 number is stupid, idiot, foolish. Stupid means idiot and foolish. Number 10 is big, huge and large. We can also use these words instead of big here, because these words are the synonym for the big, right? Big, huge and large. Number 11 is small, tinny and little. Small means tinny and little. Number 12 is uncomplicated. Uncomplicated means that is not complicated. Easy and simple. Uncomplicated means easy and simple. Number 13 is angry. Angry means mad or irritate. I-R-R-I-E-T-A-T-E-Tate. That's irritate. Number 14 is awful. Awful means terrible, bad. Awful means terrible, bad. Number 15 is garbage. Garbage means trash and rubbish. Garbage means trash and rubbish, right? That's all about our synonyms and the word contractions, right? I hope you have understood this lesson. Till then, take care. Bye.